What's up guys, a long time no see. I feel like I've neglected YouTube so much that I'm literally, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. So happy new year to all of you guys. I hope you guys all have like a good start to the year. I have a package that I'm gonna go unbox with you guys. I'm very excited, so let's get into the video. The package that I got is from Naked. Look how big it is humongous. So I've ordered a couple bags, I ordered a couple, like I think it's like trousers and a jacket and stuff. So let's get into it. Like look at this. There we go. So we have 5 items. Okay, let's start with the easy ones because I wanted a couple bags, so I ordered these bags from there. Look at this bag, literally so beautiful. Like it has a lot of detailing and everything, and then it comes with like the little side bag that you can just hang on. Let me hang on and I can show you guys properly. Now that I put the handle on, it looks like this with the handle. So this is how it looks when you wear it. You can adjust the strap, so even if you wanted it to be like a little bum bag kind of thing, you can wear it like so, or you can just literally just wear it like this. I don't really like it like this because this looks really cute. So this is how it looks. Let me take this off because I also ordered another bag. This one is more like the Zara bag. I'll show you guys so you guys know what I mean. Reminded me of like the Zara bag that everyone was trying to get in the summer. Like, do you see what I mean with the thing? Why is there so much stuff? So the bags come like this. Bag comes like this, and then when you open it, it has like these 2 compartments that you can put stuff in. The good thing is it comes with a extra strap, so I can literally put another strap on, and you know, you just leave this one hanging like this and then have this one like as like a long strap. So the bag looks like this. You can just wear it like so, or I can just put it on like this. But it's a very, very cute bag. I really like this, just to hold it even you can even like use this as like a little clutch, you know. If I put this away, if you go into like a little event and you just use this as a clutch, the material on these bags is so luxurious. I feel like I bought it from somewhere that is very expensive, but these bags are literally to die for. I ordered like an oversized blazer. Like I feel like I have a lot of blazers, but I didn't have this color, so I wanted to try something new. So this is the kind of blazer that I got. I got this in a, what size is this? A 38. Is that like a medium or large? Not really sure. I think it's like a dad blazer or like a granddad blazer. So, it's cute and it's very oversized, so you can literally layer this. It has no pockets. I like something with pockets, but it is what it is. Arms are very long. You can always just roll it up. I like to always roll my blazers, but this is how the blazer looks like. It would go really well with this bag, I feel like. If I was to, with the blazer. No? Cute? What do you guys think? No, I really like the blazer. Look at the material as well. Material is very soft and thick material. The color is like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like grey with green in it. But I'm very excited to style this and see what I can do with it. Then I got some white trousers. Can you believe I've never had white trousers? I'm very wary because I get myself dirty so quickly, and especially when I wear white. I don't know what is wrong with me, but that goes dirty quickly. So they're like mum jeans kind of. So they look like this, and they're proper like wide legged kinda. So this will look cute with the blazer. If you wear this with like a white top and then the blazer, that would look fantastic. Even the material is so thick and it's not see-through. That's what I like about it. So these trousers, I got them in size 36 as well. So I'm assuming a 36 is like a size 6 because I wear size 6. So hopefully, unless it's an 8 and then I can have it baggy, but we'll see. Thing that I got, I'm very excited about this one because I've been obsessed with jackets recently, and this jacket is literally like my favorite thing on that website. So it's like a it's like an aviator jacket, but it's like a short version, and I'm telling you, it feels so thick. So this is how the jacket looks on. It's very nice material. It even comes with a zipper that you can zip up, and then these buckles. It was closed, so maybe I can close it. I don't know if I like that, but anyways, so it looks like this. The material feels very soft and fluffy. The arms are humongous, and this is how they, and it has pockets. I like jackets with pockets. So look at the material of it. So that is the end of the haul. If you guys want to see like a proper try on haul, or if you want me to create like looks with these items that I got, then let me know. And an exciting thing for you guys, I have a 30% off discount code for new customers, and if you sign up you can use it as well, so make sure that you make use of it. I'll tag it down below so you guys can find it in the description below. But I'll see you guys in my next video.